When the tobacco leaf is burnt, the smoker is exposed to over 4,000 chemicals. A number of the substances found in tobacco smoke are known as human carcinogens, or substances that can cause cancer. Most of the carcinogenic components are in the particular phase that forms the tar. Cigarettes also contain additives that are used for a range of purposes. About 600 additives permitted for use in UK cigarettes, but there are concerns that certain additives may increase the addictiveness of the product, and others may make smoke easier to inhale. Constituents of tobacco smoke cause damage throughout the respiratory tree, from the main airways or bronchi to the peripheral airways or bronchioles, right down to the terminal alveoli or air pockets, as well as to the immune system. Smoke also causes inflammation of the cells of the bronchial tree, leading to squamous metaplasia, which is a precancerous condition, smooth muscle hypertrophy, and peribronchial fibrosis. Smoking is associated with an increase in the risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, asthma, lung cancer, and pneumonia, which are characterized by airflow obstruction. This obstruction is usually progressive, not fully reversible. It is important to note that there are some other atmospheric pollutants associated with COPD, such as dust from cotton, rain, coal, and cement, as well as oil and cadmium fumes. Studies show the key features of the disease include a wide range of susceptibility among smokers. They identified that stopping smoking was the only way to slow down the progressive decline of lung function. A recent study has demonstrated for the first time that passive tobacco smoke inhalation increases the risk of developing asthma in adults. It is the time to think about your family, especially your children. The risk of dying from lung cancer rises with the number of cigarettes smoked per day, although duration of smoking is the strongest determinant. Over 80% of all lung cancer deaths are caused by inhaling carcinogens from cigarette smoking, which play a major part in the development of all types of lung cancer, but lifestyle and genetic factors are also important. When smokers give up, their risk of getting lung cancer starts decreasing, so that after 10 years, an ex-smoker's risk is about 1/3 to 1/2 of those who continue to smoke. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.